WeatherTech has taken vehicle floor protection to the next level with the WeatherTech FloorLiner HP. Made in America and laser measured for a custom fit, these high-performance floor liners not only cover your carpeted floors, but have a raised outer edge to partially cover the front, back, and sides of your vehicle's floor. Advanced surface designs create channels that carry fluids, dirt, and debris away from your shoes and into a lower reservoir. Created using an advanced rubber-like compound, the FloorLiner HP is flexible, durable, 100% recyclable, and engineered to stand up to the most extreme weather conditions. Specially designed retention systems work with your existing manufacturer's hardware to keep the FloorLiner locked in place, while customized anti-skid nibs and ridges line the underside of your FloorLiner, creating additional surface friction with your vehicle's carpet. For more information on the FloorLiner HP, please visit WeatherTech.com or call 1-800-CarMats. WeatherTech, proudly made in America.